Hello everyone, hi Cancer, water sign. So welcome back to our channel. So this is a special bonus reading for you, year ending message of 2020 and what are the messages coming for you in 2021. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages from Oracle deck, Moon Oracle deck. So let's see. Okay. The answers you need are coming. Wow. Maybe in full moon in Gemini. Okay. Look at the bigger picture. Yeah. Definitely the answers you need are coming. Yeah. If you are waiting for your answers, maybe you will get clarity when full moon in Gemini. Maybe before that also the answers you need are coming. Definitely you are waiting for something, some clarification, some clarity, some answers from anybody or from God, from universe. Definitely the answers you need are coming. And you look at the bigger picture, definitely you are involved in something and you are not seeing the result, but look at the bigger picture. Definitely you are getting recognition in your work, and that is something very big is coming in your way. Don't upset if you are not seeing anything, because there is a bigger picture coming in your way. Sometimes we don't see what's coming towards us, but definitely there will be something very big. Okay, and the answers you need are coming. Definitely your answers will be answered in near future. Your questions will be answered. Okay, yeah. The full moon in Sagittarius and full moon in Gemini. I think right now the full moon in Sagittarius is going. Yeah, and the answers you need are coming. Definitely your answers will be your questions will be answered. So these are the messages from Moon Oracle deck. So let's see from Tarot, what are the challenges, your present moment challenges, and past hopes and outcome. So let's see your present moment. Everything we will see in this reading. Cancer. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So first we will see the present. Knight of Wands, challenge, hermit, past, Seven of Cups, recent past, Ace of Swords, and outcome, Seven of Wands, path to the future. Wow, Sun. Yeah. So let me explain. Someone is coming in your way in relationship. Knight of Wands right now. Yeah, the present. Yeah, under the deck 11 and 11, there is celebration is coming in your way. You both could be twin flames. Definitely there is reunion in relationship if you are waiting for reconciliation. Yeah, there is celebration. So someone is coming back to you if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, if you are not in any relationship, someone new is coming in your way, and that person is very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion involved. In career wise, definitely you are doing your work with passionate energy. You are very passionate about your work. Okay, so the challenge is here the Hermit. Yeah, definitely some spiritual transformation you are going through right now, but you don't understand what's going in your life, but it is very important phase in your life, because transformation, not always transformation is simple. Sometimes it is very difficult also. That's why you don't understand, because recent past is also Seven of Cups. Definitely past you are in so much confusion. Yeah, because past in past Seven of Cups and recent past Ace of Swords, definitely there are some issues, some truth coming out. Something about something, someone told you about something, because there is some communication is happened between you and your person. Maybe it could be anything. Definitely you are in so much confusion right now. You are the challenge is the transformation stage, what you are going through. Yeah, you have to overcome it, because spiritual awakening is not as simple as that. Okay, but after the spiritual awakening your life is going to be upgraded, because then the outcome is Seven of Wands. Yeah, you will be like this, you will be defensive, very defensive, and you won't give up on it what you want. This is very, very beautiful energy. Definitely you won't give up on anything easily. Okay, because everybody give up easily, but you won't give up. That energy you will be after the transformation. Yeah, path to the future, definitely the Sun. You will be in very positive, you will lead very positive life. Definitely there is a lot of positive things coming in your way. Your life will be upgraded to next level, and the sun card is positive major arcana. If you are waiting for children, definitely maybe your wife will be pregnant in near future. Definitely children, some major good news regarding pregnancy also. Yeah, definitely some positive things are coming in your life. Things are turning out in your favor. It's the time for you, Cancer. Wow. After the transformation, because the challenge is that a hermit, you don't know what is going in your life. Maybe it is a tough cycle, maybe it is the hard times, but maybe you are in some confusion, but it's only for good. Okay, so let's see more about the situation and more about you. First we will see more about you. The person involved in this connection could be Virgo. The High Priestess here, more about you. Yeah, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. More about you is equal to High Priestess. Yes, you are undergoing transformation for sure. Yeah, you are listening to higher self. If not, definitely you have to listen to your inner voice. Because intuition never goes wrong. This time you have to listen to your intuition. Yeah. Because it gives you right path. What to do, what not to do. So let's see more about the situation. Nine of Wands. Want clarification card for... Yeah, I think... Yeah, confusion, more about the situation. You may be protecting your heart from something because you are very emotional person, very, I think, very sensitive person, what I'm seeing here. That's why you are protecting your heart. Because if you are in separation, you are not taking this pain because you are very sensitive person, but the reconciliation is coming. For some, you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. That's why you don't know what is going in your life. Yeah, you are in so much confusion. You are guarded up. You are not available to anyone because you don't talking to anyone. Because the hermit energy is you are isolated from all. You isolated yourself from all because you are undergoing spiritual awakening. Yeah. But this is all for good. So let's see hopes and fears. Cancer. See, definitely spiritual awakening. You are feeling stuck sometimes. You are thinking about something a lot. The Hanged Man. Definitely you are thinking something a lot. Let's see the outcome. Yeah, you are feeling stuck because you are undergoing some transformation. But this is not permanent. This is all for good. Cancer. Wow, Three of Pentacles. Yes, reconciliation if you are waiting for and you are invested your money in some other businesses in collaboration with other persons. Yeah, definitely your money will grow. You will get financial stability and your love life is also going to be upgrade, going to be next level. Because Three of Pentacles is you person want to partnership with you. They want to work on this relationship. Yeah. Yeah, Three of Wands under the deck, definitely waiting. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah. So let's see. Some cards from universe. Final message for you. Cancer. Eight of Wands. Five of Wands. Eight of Swords. Seven of Pentacles. I want one more. Yeah, things are turning out in your favor, definitely. Yeah, some communication is going to be happen between you and your person, back and forth communication in near future. Definitely there is a lot of drama is going between you and your person. Five of Wands. I think your person is ready to fight for your attention because they are coming back. They want reconciliation with you. They want partnership with you. Yeah, you are invested your energy in some relationship and waiting for the result. Yeah, you are feeling stuck because Eight of Swords energy, you are undergoing some spiritual awakening, but end of the day definitely things are turning out in your favor. Yeah, I think back and forth after the spiritual transformation there will be lot of changes are coming in your life and those changes are coming very fastly. Yeah, they are going to be fight for your attention. You feeling stuck sometime, but it is not. I think your connection also feeling stuck right now, but things are turning out. Definitely there will be communication between both of you, and yeah, your person is ready to offer stability. Yeah, transformation, this is the major part of your life going through. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.